Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Born to Shine, and this is a sweet little card we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are using Born to Shine, and we're going to be using this little lady right here, and the sentiment dancing is like dreaming with your feet. So I'm going to bring in my big shot first. And I have a piece of Whisper White along with my stitched rectangles. And then I have a piece of the Perennial Essence Vellum cardstock. And we will run those through. All right, pull this out. Did everybody have a good holiday? We had a good holiday here. All right. And who's excited about the new catalog kicking off today? I am. All right, so I have my lady mounted on clear block E, and I'm going to come in with my Memento Tuxedo Black ink. And I'm going to put her down right here. Just like that. And I'm going to bring in a regular sheet of paper, and I have Bird Ballad, and I'm just going to get her dress. We're going to be doing some paper piecing. That's all we're using the Memento for. And now I'm going to come in with my Petal Pink and the sentiment. The sentiment's mounted on clear block B. And I'm going to put it right here in this top left-hand corner. Excuse me. All right, I'm going to come in with my paper snips, and I'm just going to cut this dress off of her. So I'm going to start right here at her armpit. And remember, when you're cutting, it's easier to move the paper. Oops. All right, so just like that. And now I'm going to come in with my fine tip glue pen. And I'm just going to put a little bit here on the back. So just like that, make sure to recap your fine tip glue. All right, so now we can put this card together. Our card base is basic black, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. And I have the sparkle glimmer paper, and that's cut at 4 by 5 1/4. I'm just going to put this down with some snail adhesive. And I'm going to give it a rub down from the back here. All right, so now I'm going to come in with some glue dots. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to push it down and roll and get 3 on the top, bottom, and middle. First one didn't take. There we go. All right, so you can see the glue dots right now, but you won't be able to see them when we put our layer on. I'm going to go ahead and put this down with some snail as well. All right, just like that. Next, I'm going to come in with my Petal Pink rhinestone gems, and I'm going to get these little diamond-shaped ones here, and I'm just going to put them down in these corners. Just like that. It's almost recital time, so if you need to make some recital cards, this is the best stamp set to get. And if you need a catalog, be sure to comment on the link below, or you can shoot me an email. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!